Hey all, welcome to Spice Kitchen and Ginger. Today's episode is part of Meals in Under 30 Minutes series, and we're making chicken tortilla soup. You can make this soup more like a stew with more vegetables and meat, or more soupy with more broth. This is a really quick and easy recipe and yet tastes so good. I have a pound of shredded chicken that I'm going to cook with a packet of taco seasoning and water. You can use roasted chicken and just shred the meat, or you boil some chicken breast and shred the meat. Cook until the water evaporates and the chicken absorbs all the taco seasoning and set aside. Peel and dice the onion. We need about 150 grams. Deseed and dice the tomatoes. We need about 125 grams diced tomatoes. Deseed and take the membrane out of the jalapeno. We need about 30 grams of jalapeno. Chop 20 grams garlic. These are the ingredients for the soup. Heat up 3 tablespoons oil in the pan. Add chopped onions, tomatoes, and jalapenos. If you like this video, you can help grow this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. As always, thank you for your support. Saute until they are softened. Add chopped garlic. Saute until you can smell the garlic. Add 2.5 cans chicken broth. You can add more or less according to your liking. Add the dried spices, 2 teaspoons chicken powder, 3/4 teaspoon oregano, 2.5 teaspoon cumin powder. Add about 2 teaspoons tomato paste and 4 teaspoons chipotle paste. I buy chipotle in a can and blend into a paste with a little water. Add 100 grams frozen corn kernel. I only use 2 cans chicken broth in the beginning, and I'm adding a little more broth as it looks a little too chunky for my liking. You don't need to do this if you're already using 2.5 cans from the beginning. Add half to 3/4 of the seasoned shredded chicken. Add salt and cook briefly. Put in a bowl, add diced avocados and more of the shredded chicken on top. serve with chips of your choice. Thank you for watching and see you next time.